look at me and be confused. I am here to challenge your stereotypes. That's why God made me like this. I was diagnosed with polycystic ovary syndrome at the age of 11 or 12. I had all the girls in year 6 looking at magazines, and I could not find anyone that I could be like, yeah, that looks like me. My grades declined horrendously because I was skiving school a lot. I was very suicidal, I was going through a lot of depression. It was hell on earth for me. So at the age of 16, I just got sick and tired of trying to conform to society and the beauty standards. I made a standpoint that if my body is naturally allowing me to grow a beard, I'm going to keep her and embrace her and celebrate her. If you're attracted to me, you're just attracted to me, I'm buff. I can't stop myself from being buff.